Hi. What I want to do is go over the email and newsletters function for slamjammers.org. Uh, as you can see, I've already logged in. I'm an administrator, you can tell because I have these available to me at the top of the page. And also because I can see this. If I were not logged in, I could not see this file, or this page right here. Emails and newsletters. So I'm going to click on that. Alrighty, very, very quickly, uh, I'm going to walk through uh, email lists, unsubscribe lists, and send. I'm not going to get into too deep of detail here, but I'm just going to show that there is uh, a list of emails that can be created or linked to. These are linked emails. What I have right here are lists that are already from information that's in the database. These links, whenever we click on the email list to send, these links are automatically updated as the system will go through and process each email according to the current send. So if somebody is added in next week and we send an email the week after, they will be included in future emails without having to redo the list. Down here in unsubscribe, we also have a list of people unsubscribed from slamjammers.org. These can be added manually. They can be imported from Excel or a text list, and we can also search for emails. Again, just this is a brief overview. I will get into more detail on this in a future video. All right, I'll get into a little bit more detail here. This is what I want to demonstrate. Those particular things are used in this manner. First, on the send, we get a send a bulk email. This means we're going to send an email out to a lot of different people. And what we've got here is a place to put in a campaign. So if we want to say like fall parents meeting, and we want to send it out to all of the people in the database, this is where we would enter that information. Down here we have user roles. If we want to send emails just to the administrators, or send an email to only subscribers or parents or volunteers, these boxes can be checked, as many as you want or as few as you want, to only have those groups receive. These are the email lists that I just showed you. The current Slamjammer list, of course, would be people only registered this session. Whatever day this is that you're listening to this video or watching this video, this session, these are the only emails available to be sent to. You can add an email address in here by simply typing it in, and that way you can send an email to whoever this is. The from part of the email will say from communications admin slamjammers.org. The subject is whatever we type the subject in to be. Earlier I typed a sample email and sent that out, but you can type in whatever subject you want. I won't go into a lot of detail on all of these features that you can use to send an email, but what I will do is paste in the email that I had from a previous send, and talk real quickly about the tokens that I was just describing earlier. These tokens are pieces of code inside these square brackets. This system will read the square brackets and say, okay, I want to look for the first name or whatever other token. There's several others. Real quickly, I'll show you some profile tokens. We've got a whole list of different profile tokens inside here that can be used. This token will look for this in the database. If that does not exist, it will look behind the colon and put in whatever you have here. So for example, if there's no first name in the database for this particular person's email address, then it will put Dear Slamjammer Parent Guardian. This is a sample email. To unsubscribe, click, and this token will link back to an unsubscribe page. Other things can be added, such as file attachments, up to 2 file attachments. They can be uploaded from your desktop if they're not already in the system. I'll go over that in more detail in a future video. The priority can be set high, low, normal. We can click here if we want to say, well, I know that you've unsubscribed, but this is very, very important. We think you'd be very, very interested in this. We'll override that and we'll send that out there to you. I'll go over bounce users in a future video. After all that, all we have to do now is simply send the email. Now previously I sent an email out. I'll take a quick look at that. That email arrived and it says, Dear Darnell. As you can see, my first name of course is in the database. So it's Dear Darnell, this is a sample email. To unsubscribe, click here. Should I click there, this takes me to an unsubscribe page that looks like this. You are requesting that your email address is unsubscribed from our email lists. So when they click on unsubscribe, this list will be automatically added to the Slamjammers unsubscribe list, or they can change their minds, or they can simply go to our email page and send us an email saying that I've been getting some bad emails. I thought you should be aware of it, something like that. Okay, I'm going to cancel out. I'll get an acknowledgement that you will continue receiving emails. If I'd unsubscribed, I would have been told that I had been unsubscribed. That's pretty much the overall overview of how that email system works. Please call me or email me with any questions. Thanks for watching the video.